Okay, new workflow. In this workflow, we will try to simulate an automated accountant. Okay, let's be honest. Most of the accountants, what they do is they receive an invoice, right? And they get the amount, the taxes, the sender, the ID of the sender, and they put it in a Google Sheets, and then that Google Sheet makes the sums, or Google Sheets, or some, and with that Google Sheets, we just calculate the expenses and the incomes, right? The Google Sheets part is not what I'm going to cover, because that's I mean, how you create the tables, no. But all the process of I get an invoice, because let's be honest, that's the biggest workload of the, like, that manual and tedious process of I receive an invoice, I find all the items in the invoice, and I upload it to somewhere like Google Sheets, Excel, a place that interprets that data. That is what many workers do around the world, right? And many companies. So that's the part that we will automate. I have this invoice, okay? We will always use an invoice of Google. This is my invoice. And we will use ChatGPT. So if you still don't have a ChatGPT account, please create it, because in this moment, it's absolutely necessary. So let's start. Right, new workflow. We will call it automated accountant automated Udemy English. Right, first of all, sources of entrance. Again, I could define 2, 3, for example, I could define Google Drive, Gmails, or folders in my computer. Since in the previous video I already did folders, I will do this time Gmail and the Google Drive. But we will start by the Google Drive. So I will create in Google Drive folder called Invoices. Right? Okay, this is the folder where the invoices are expected to arrive. It will be the centralized point that once receives the invoices, an event will be triggered, and everything will start. So it's not the first time that we do this. Google Drive trigger, Google Drive. Changes involving a specific folder, credentials, Udemy credentials, poll time. No. A specific folder. Which folder? The folder invoices. Yep. Watch for file created. Right? Let's see. I have no files, so I will upload the first file. The invoice that we just saw, this one. I'll upload it. Well, I'll execute workflow, and nothing on there, right? But now there will be something. Okay, I'll test it again. Double click, fetch test event. Yeah, you see, this is the file. This is the object. Great. Next is to download we need to download, okay, credentials again, Udemy, resource, file, operation, download the file. These parts, I make them fast because it's like the third time I think we are performing these operations. So I go fast, like you should be fluent with this. File by ID, and the ID it's here, right? ID, execute node, binary, download. I'm not allowed to view it because I guess a PDF file, you need to download it. Here it is, great. Okay, we have downloaded it. Next, it's to read the PDF. Read PDF. okay? Where data, let's read the PDF. And I get this JSON where all the text, it's inside the property text. Yeah, this is all the data, great. And we have advanced a lot. We detect the file created, we download the file, we read the PDF, and now well, I'll leave this for the next video, because the next video comes the big part where we will connect with ChatGPT.